So how exactly are we supposed to react to Ruston Chase being named captain of the West Indies Test team? Are we supposed to be happy, surprised, disappointed, or it no matter? I like the latter. But seriously though, Ruston Chase not playing no test cricket for over 2 years. So Cricket West Indies and coach Darren Sammy basically take up a man off the streets at 33 years old who averaged 26 with the bat and take wickets at 46 and make him captain of the West Indies Test team. And of course, the vice captain is 32-year-old Jamel Warrican, who is the second string left arm orthodox spinner in the team behind Gudakesh Moti. So basically, Chase, Warrican, and Moti will all have to play. And guess what? The West Indies will lose same way. Let me ask this question. Has West Indies cricket ever been in a more embarrassing position? Talk truth. Have things ever been worse? Uno since the West Indies cricket curse. You don't see it?